Welcome, esteemed researcher. I am Dr. Rosemary De Los Abesha. I'm thrilled to guide you through an exciting discussion on an AI tools for research, writing, analysis, and presentation. Today, we'll explore how cutting-edge artificial intelligence can transform from the way we write, analyze, and present academic work to make it faster, smarter, or more impactful. Get ready to discover practical tools, strategies, and tips that will elevate your research to the next level. Our objectives for today are clear and practical. I am excited to walk you through each one. First, we'll dive into the role of AI in research workflows, why it's no longer just a trend but an essential part of modern academic and professional settings. You'll see how AI is reshaping the way we approach research from start to finish. Second, we'll explore a variety of AI tools for writing, analysis, and presentation. I will introduce you to both free and premium options so you can choose what works best for your needs and budget. Third, we'll roll out our sleeves for hands-on demos. This is where you'll see the tools in action and learn how to apply them immediately to your own project. Finally, we'll wrap up with a discussion on best practices, ethical consideration. It's important to use AI responsibly. So we'll talk about maintaining academic integrity and credibility while leveraging these powerful technologies. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand the potential of AI in research, you'll be ready to use effectively and ethically. Let's take a closer look at what you accomplished today. First, understand AI roles. We'll explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping research workflow from literature review or RRL to data analysis or your statistical data and why it's becoming a critical tool in modern academic and professional settings. This helps you see the bigger picture of AI's impact on research efficiency and quality. Second, exploring AI tools here. We'll dive into range of AI-powered solution that can assist with writing, analysis, and presentation. You'll discover tools that simplify complex tasks, save time, and enhance the clarity and impact of your work. We'll cover both free and premium options so you can choose what fits your needs. Third, hands-on demonstration. This is where theory meets practice. We'll show you live demos of selected tools step by step so you can see exactly how they work and apply them immediately to your own research project. Finally, ethics and best practices. AI is powerful, but it must be used responsibly. We'll discuss ethical consideration, academic integrity, and best practices to ensure that your work remains credible and transparent while leveraging this technology. By the end of this session, you'll not only understand the role of AI in research, you'll be equipped to use it effectively and ethically. Now let's talk about AI tools for research writing. These tools are designed to make the writing process faster, clearer, and more efficient. They can help you generate ideas, organize your thoughts, and even improve the quality of your language. Some tools specialize in summarizing long articles or extracting key points from research papers, while others assist with grammar style and citation formatting. We also look at tools that can help you structure your research paper and create outlines and ensure your writing meets academic standard. Whether you're drafting an introduction, refining your methodology section, or polishing your conclusion, AI can be powerful assistant. The goal is not to replace your expertise, but to enhance it, giving you more time to focus on analysis and critical thinking while AI handles repetitive tasks. Let us discuss the overview of writing assistant tools. AI writing tools are designed to streamline the research writing process by supporting the following key tasks, like idea generation, grammar correction, paraphrasing, and summarization. Let's look at some of the most popular tools. First, we have ChatGPT and Gemini, as well as the Copilot, which are excellent for generating outlines, drafting section, and creating summaries. They can help you organize your thoughts and speed up the writing process. Next is Copilot, which integrates seamlessly with Microsoft tools like Word, Excel, and make it perfect for enhancing productivity while you work on your documentation. Then, there is Perplexity, which is stand out for providing real-time search-based answers with citation or the so-called the referencing, ideal for quick fact-checking and sourcing for references. For improving language quality, Grammarly is must-have. It checks grammar, even the tone and the clarity, ensuring your writing is polished and professional. Finally, Killbot is great for paraphrasing and summarizing content, helping you rephrase ideas without losing meaning. Together, these tools make research writing faster, clearer, and more efficient, allowing you to focus in analysis and critical thinking. Now let's move on to the demonstration of AI writing tools and see how they can support research in education. First, literature summary that you can use in your RRL. Generation. Tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Perplexity, and Gemini can generate concise summary of recent research articles based on specific prompts. For example, if you provide a prompt like summarize the latest study on technology integration in classroom, this tool quickly produces a clear, structured summary that saves you hours of reading. Next is grammar and tone correction. Grammarly is excellent for refining academic writing. Imagine you have an abstract for research paper. It checks for grammar errors, improves sentence structure, and even adjusts to make it more formal and scholarly. Finally, paraphrasing for readability, like Killbot, helps rephrase complex paragraphs to make them clearer and easier to read. For instance, if your literature review section sounds too technical, Killbot can simplify the language without losing meaning, making your work more accessible to readers. These demonstrations show how AI tools can make research writing more accurate and more polished. Ethical use of AI in writing involves citing AI-generated content, avoiding plagiarism, and verifying facts. Institutions may have specific policy regarding AI usage in academic work. Researchers should use AI tools to support their writing, not replace critical thinking. Proper attribution and validation of AI output are essential to maintain academic integrity. Overview of data analysis tools, demonstration of analysis tools, AI for qualitative analysis. AI tools for data analysis help automate statistical calculations, visualize data, and even perform predictive modeling. Example, include ChatGPT Code Interpreter for quick analysis and visualization. We can use also Google Sheets with AI add-ons for simple automation. Another thing is the Orange data mining for machine learning workflows. These tools reduce manual effort and make complex analysis accessible to non-programmers. Let's discuss the overview of AI tools for data analysis. It includes the following. Of course, first is the user-friendly statistical interface, which is the Jamovi. And then another thing is the data visualization with AI using ChatGPT Code Interpreter. Next is automated data handling or the AI add-ons in Spreadsheet Automate that helps you data clean and formulate application tasks. Demonstration include using Jamovi survey to analyze data for mean, median, and correlation. ChatGPT Code Interpreter is shown analyzing CSV coming from the Google spreadsheet or Excel files to produce summary, statistics, and visualization. And then another thing is the Google Sheet with AI add-ons is used to clean data and apply intelligent formula. This demo illustrates the practical application of AI in handling and interpreting research data, making analysis more efficient and user-friendly. Now let's move on to our Jamovi demonstration. We'll use a sample dataset from a survey on teacher technology integration. This dataset includes 3 key variables: tech confidence, training hours, and student engagement. First, we'll import the CSV file into Jamovi. Once the data is loaded, we'll start by calculating the mean, the median for tech confidence and student engagement. This will give us an idea of the overall confidence level and engagement trends among teachers. Next, we'll explore correlation analysis. We'll check the relationship between training hours and student engagement. If the correlation is positive, it suggests that more training hours are associated with higher student engagement, a valuable insight for professional development planning. Finally, we'll create scatter plot to visualize the relationship. This will help us pattern and outliers in data. By the end of this demo, you'll see how Jamovi makes statistical analysis simple and efficient, turning raw survey data into actionable insight for educational research. Now let us discuss the Jamovi step-by-step procedure. First is step 1 in Jamovi is you need to import the data. Step 2, you need to calculate the mean and the median. Step 3, correlation analysis, and step 4, visualization. In the first step of the Jamovi survey analysis demonstration, users begin by importing their dataset into Jamovi platform. This process involves opening the Jamovi application, clicking on the open button, browsing to locate the desired CSV file, and selecting it for upload. Once the file is loaded, the dataset appears in the Jamovi interface, displaying columns such as tech confidence, training hours, and student engagement. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation of all the subsequent analysis by ensuring that data is correctly formatted and accessible within the software. The second step involves calculating descriptive statistics, specifically the mean and the median. For key variables in the dataset, user navigates to the Analysis tab and select Descriptive. From there, they choose variables such as tech confidence and student engagement. Jamovi then provides immediate statistical outputs including the mean, median, and other summary statistics. This analysis helps researchers understand the central tendency and distribution of responses, offering insight into overall teacher confidence level and student engagement patterns. These metrics are foundational for interpreting the general trends in the survey data. In the third step, users perform a correlation analysis to examine the relationship between variables, specifically training hours and student engagement. This done by navigating to analysis, selecting regression, and then choosing correlation matrix. User add relevant variable to the matrix and Jamovi calculate the correlation coefficient. This coefficient indicates the strength and direction of the relationship between the variables. A positive correlation suggests that increasing training hours are associated with higher student engagement, providing valuable insight for educational planning and professional development strategies. The final step in the Jamovi demo involves visualizing the data through a scatter plot. User return to the descriptive section and enable the scatter plot option for variable training hours and student engagement. This visual representation allows researchers to observe patterns, trends, and outliers in the data. Scatter plots are particularly useful for identifying linear relationship and assessing the consistency of data points. By visualizing the correlations, users gain a clearer understanding of how training impact engagement, making the data more accessible and interpretable for presenting and reporting. Qualitative analysis benefits from AI tools such as NVivo with AI plugin, Otter.ai, and Whisper for transcription. And sentiment analysis platforms, NVivo helps in coding and analyzing textual data, while Otter.ai and Whisper provide accurate transcription of interviews and discussion. For example, you are planning to do your survey or interview, you can use Otter.ai or Whisper. Sentiment analysis tools can evaluate emotional tone and themes in qualitative data. These tools streamline the process of interpreting open-ended responses and interviews, allowing researchers to focus in deriving insight rather than manual processing. Now, let's move on to the overview of presentation tools. These tools are designed to help you creating engaging and visually appealing presentation in a quickly and efficiently manner. Some of the most popular options include Canva, Beautiful AI, and Microsoft Designer, which use AI to suggest layouts, color scheme, and even generate content. Tools like Prezi and Visme add dynamic elements and interactive feature to make your presentation stand out and interactive. After the overview, we'll proceed to the demonstration of presentation tools. I'll show you how Canva or Gamma can automatically design slides based on your topic, on how Beautiful AI can generate full presentation with minimal input, and how Microsoft Designer integrates with PowerPoint for smart design suggestion. You'll see how these tools save time and elevate quality of your academic presentation. AI-powered presentation tools include PowerPoint, Copilot, Canva, and Gamma. PowerPoint Copilot assists designing slides and suggesting content based on the research summary, while Canva offers magic design features for creating infographics and posters. Another is Gamma App, auto-generate slide decks from text input. These tools help researchers create visually and appealing structured presentation quickly and effective. Several AI tools are available to assist creating academic presentation. As I have mentioned a while ago, Canva is a widely used platform that offers AI-generated layout and templates, making easy to design slides that are both attractive and informative, while beautiful AI automation, formatting and layout decision, allowing users to focus on content while the tool ensures visual consistency. Prezi introduced dynamic and zoomable presentation style that engage audiences through movement and storytelling. Then Microsoft Designer integrates with PowerPoint to provide smart design suggestion, enhancing slide aesthetics and readability. This tool collectively empower educators and researchers to produce high quality presentation with reduced effort and increasingly creativity. Example tools for AI powered presentation tools in education like Canva, Beautiful AI, and Prezi, and then sample layout for academic presentation, research finding, data visualization, etc. Here is the example of educational slide showcasing the impact of an AI in education. It includes, of course, the title, the bullet points if there is, and then visuals. Under the title, you need to write down the exact title of your slide, and then in the bullet points, make it personalized in learning experience. This is only a sample: automated administrative tasks, intelligent tutoring system, and then visual illustration of person using related to your topic, laptop, brain icon, educational symbol, that you need to put in your prompting using Gamma. Okay? The example output of this is this one. Yan. Okay, this is very nice. You just put the title and then some bulleted important term related to your topic and a visual or a drawing or image related to your topic. Demonstration including using PowerPoint Copilot to generate slide from research summary. While Canva helps design appealing infographics to represent complex and data clearly. I'm just repeating it. And then Gamma app to auto-generate a slide deck. This demo show how AI can assist in visual storytelling and enhance presentation of research finding. Now let's look at how Gamma app can streamline presentation preparation by auto-generating complete slide deck. First step is go to Gamma app and sign in with your account. Once you log in, click on Create New, and then step 2, enter your topic prompt. For example, type AI tools for research writing and presentation. Gamma will use this prompt to generate a structured slide deck. And then step 3, choose a style or theme. Gamma offers clean and professional template that you can customize with colors, fonts to match your branding. And then step 4, review and generate slide. Gamma create a full deck with titles, bullet points, and visual. You can edit text and image for rearrange slide as needed. Step 5, export or share your presentation. You can download it as PowerPoint file, PDF, or share a link for online viewing. This process saves hours of manual work and ensure your slides are visually appealing and well organized. As we wrap up, let's talk about best practices when using AI tools in research and presentation. First, always verify that accuracy of AI generated content. These are tools powerful but they are not perfect, so cross-check facts and references. Second, maintain academic integrity. Use AI as an assistant, not a replacement for your own analysis and critical thinking. Avoid plagiarism by properly citing sources and paraphrasing responsibly. Third, choose tools that fit your workflow. For example, Grammarly for language refinement, Jamovi for statistical analysis, and Canva or Gamma for creating visually appealing presentation. Now, for integration examples, you can combine ChatGPT for generating literature summaries with Jamovi for analyzing survey data. Then use Canva or Beautiful AI to design your final presentation. This creates a seamless workflow from research to reporting. By following these practices and integrating tools strategically, you'll save time, improve quality, and keep your work credible. Let's go over some best practices for using AI in research. First is verify outputs. Always check and validate any AI generated result before including them in your research. Accuracy is key to maintain credibility. Second, enhance critical thinking. The meaning of this is AI should support your work, not replace your analytical and reasoning skill. Use it as a tool for complement your expertise. Then third, maintain academic integrity. Ensure that your use of AI aligns with ethical guidelines and your research objectives. Avoid plagiarism and always cite sources properly. Finally, build research credibility. Responsible use of AI foster trust and strengthen the quality of your research outcomes. When you use AI thoughtfully, it adds value without compromising integrity. Now let's look at some practical integration example. You can use ChatGPT for generating literature review or RRL, and then Jamovi for analyzing survey data, and then Canva for creating visually appealing research posters. Educators can incorporate these tools into research courses by designing assignments that leverage AI capabilities. For instance, students might use ChatGPT to summarize articles, Jamovi to interpret data, and Canva to present findings in professional format. To ensure meaningful learning, provide rubrics that emphasize interpretation and ethical use of AI. This way, students learn not just how to use tools, but how to apply them responsibly and critically in academic. As we conclude, let's reflect on what we covered today. We explored how AI tools can transform research writing, analysis, and presentation. From generating literature summaries and analyzing data to creating visually compelling slides. The key takeaway is this: AI is not here to replace your expertise, but to enhance it. When used responsibly, these tools save time, improve accuracy, and elevate the quality of your academic work. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you see these tools fitting into your research or teaching practices? What challenge or opportunity do you anticipate? Before we wrap up, let's take a moment for reflection. Think about how AI tools can fit into your own research workflow. Which tasks could they simplify? How might they enhance your productivity and creativity? Now let's consider collaboration learning. Engagement and collaboration create a supportive environment where we can share experiences and best practices. This not only help us learn from each other but also maximize the practical value of AI in research. By reflecting on integration and fostering collaboration, we ensure that AI becomes a meaningful part of our academic journey, used responsibly and effectively. Thank you for joining today's session. We've explored how AI tools can transform research writing, analysis, and presentation, making academic work more efficient, accurate, and engaging. Remember, the goal is not to replace your expertise, but to enhance it. By integrating tools like ChatGPT for literature review, Jamovi for data analysis, and Canva for visual design, you can streamline your workflow while maintaining academic integrity. As you leave, I encourage you to reflect on how these tools can fit into your own research or teaching practices. Let's continue to collaborate, share ideas, and embrace innovation in education. Thank you once again, and I look forward to seeing you how you apply this insight in your future project.